Now, in line with that, it's obvious that if Miyetti Allah, members of Miyetti Allah Kaltahore do some things that are actually not pleasing, they heap it on Magban. How have you taken that?
Well, you see, first of all, I feel the reason why these things are happening is because Magban has a wider acceptance, because our presence can be felt in all the 36 states of the Federation. We have offices, and we have offices in most of the local governments in the Federation. That makes us the umbrella body. But most of the times, when the other Miyetti Allah Kaltahore do some things, whether good or bad, it is normally associated, by mistakenly associated to us. Maybe because of the wider spread we have in the country. Maybe that is why. But if not, Miyetti Allah Cattle Breeder Association is different from Miyetti Allah Kaltahore. We think sometimes some of the media houses, sometimes maybe deliberately or mistakenly confuse the public by using the phrase Miyetti Allah only whenever happens. You see the phrase Miyetti Allah. I sadly read last week, after our engagement with the Ondo State Governor on the issue that came up about the vacation notice. We went there with the chairman Nigerian Governors Forum, with the governor of Ondo, the governor of Osun, and the governor of Oyo, and with two governors from the north, the governor of Kebbi and the governor of Jigawa. We all went there to bring an end to this conflict about the vacation notice. And Alhamdulillah, we thank God. We sat, we discussed, we had understanding, we came up with a communique that helped in dousing that tension in the country. But to my greatest surprise, after a while, I saw a caption on Sun newspaper that's saying, Miyetti Allah threatened Ondo State Governor. It came to me as a surprise. I didn't know what to do. You know, not all people read the body of stories. Sometimes people always read the caption and form opinion. So whoever reads that caption that Miyetti Allah threatened the governor of Ondo may immediately think it is our own Miyetti Allah. Far away from that. We won't do that. We are responsible people. We went to Ondo. We had a discussion with all the governors there. We had understanding. A communique was released. We are still part of this communique, and we still respect and hold to that communique. And we believe that communique was responsible of dousing the tension in the country about the vacation, about the wrongly misconstrued vacation notice alleged to have been given by the Ondo State Governor. Things were made clear for everybody to know. The governor came out to say he was misconcepted and misconstrued. The statement that went viral was not what he said. And we all agreed that Nigeria is for everybody. Nobody has the right to chase out anybody out of Nigeria. Constitutionally, everybody has the right to stay wherever he wants and do his business wherever he wants without becoming a problem to the other party. So we agree to so many other things that brought understanding and helped in dousing that tension brought about by the so-called vacation notice. So that is why I want to make it categorically clear to all the media houses to try to distinguish between Magban, which is Miyetti Allah Cattle Breeder Association of Nigeria, that has His Eminence the Sultan of Sokoto as the chairman of Swasi, and the other Miyetti Allah Kaltahore that has presence, I think, is in not more than some few states of the country, that only came on board not more than 6 years ago, that is not democratic, if I can put it this way. So let the media begin to separate between the two. And I beg the media, if they are reporting anything that has to do with Kaltahore, let them clearly say Kaltahore. Let them stop using the phrase Miyetti Allah. Once you use that phrase Miyetti Allah, you create confusion to the public. People may assume it is the Miyetti Allah we had that is making that statement. We have never made a threatening statement. We have never made a statement that can create confusion. We are always diplomatic in presenting our cases. We are always diplomatic in our approach to issues, not for anything, but because of the mere fact of considering those respected northern traditional rulers who have accepted to serve as board of trustee members of this association. So we have their dignity and their honor to respect. We know they are peaceful people. We know they are people who have a lot of subjects in their domain. They have all sorts of people. They have the Igbos, they have the Yorubas, they have the Hausas, they have the Fulanis. There is no tribe that these traditional rulers don't have in their domain as their subjects. So we know they represent all tribes in Nigeria, because there is no tribe that you cannot find in their emirates. So because of this, we are typical Nigerians. We see every Nigeria as Nigerian. We see everybody as a good Nigerian, and we want everybody to see us as also good people who are non-violent, who always diplomatically approach issues without causing problems, who are out for peace, who are out for dialogue as a means of mitigating conflict and nothing more.